Hello and welcome to this supplemental video about the communication process. In your textbook, you read about the communication model. This model is the cornerstone for how we, as human beings, communicate with each other. In public speaking, it's a vital model to understand so that we can get our message across. For the purpose of this class, I've created a slightly simpler version of the communication model. It only has 7 parts, which I will go through now. For our final exam, you will be expected to draw this version of the model, so please write this down. Now, the first part of the model is the speaker, also known as the sender. This person sends a message to the audience or the receiver. Now, the audience then sends a message back to the speaker. We call this message feedback. Note that there are directional arrows right here on the message and on the feedback. Those directional arrows are really important. Now, all of this communication has to take place over a channel. The channel might be spoken words or gestures. It could be eye contact. If two people were communicating from afar, the channel might be an email or text message. Sometimes we are using multiple channels at the same time. When giving a speech, we are usually doing both verbal and nonverbal communication. There is also noise present in this model. Noise can be internal or external. External noise is pretty obvious. Maybe there's a siren outside or a loud air conditioner. Internal noise is a little less obvious. It's usually an internal state going on inside the sender or receiver. Maybe they're angry or sad or happy. Maybe they're hungry or tired. No matter what, this internal noise can be just as damaging to communication as external noise. Finally, all of this takes place in some sort of context or environment. It might be in a classroom. It might be at home. It might be in a rowboat in the middle of a lake. No matter what, it's taking place somewhere. And that is the communication model. If you have questions about this, be sure to jot them down. Go to our discussion board in D2L and ask them there. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.